Interesting timing. Bank of America is closing their stock loan hedge account effective tomorrow. You can see right here, Bank of America Securities Stock Loan Hedge Account 7560, effective on the business day, October 25th, will retire the following additional account. Now, this comes after absorbing Merrill Lynch clearing in August. Something is definitely going on over at Bank of America. And even digging a bit further, it appears this stock loan hedge account was first created by Merrill Lynch right after the 2008 financial crisis. Account number 7560, January 12, 2009. So since Bank of America acquired Merrill Lynch, is this why they are closing that account? Or does it mean something even deeper? What is a loan stock? Loan stock refers to the shares of common or preferred stock that are used as collateral to secure a loan from another party. The loan earns a fixed interest rate, much like a standard loan, and can be secured or unsecured. The Bank of America is closing an account where, in the more likely case, they give out a loan to another party, and in return, that party lets them hold on to stocks. Now, if this isn't the case as to why they're letting it go because of it being originally a Merrill Lynch account, then the case may be that something is happening very soon, and Bank of America doesn't want to be involved or wants to be on the right side. Moving on, SIBO says it's investigating an issue related to the options market. OPRA processing issue, October 25th, 2023. SIBO US option exchanges have reconnected to OPRA and resumed trading of multi-list options following failover of OPRA systems to their secondary site. Finally, all systems are now operating normally, but the investigation continues. What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Now, we had the most important stuff in that intro, but we have some articles to cover for AMC, some data, and then the charts, as well as GameStop, and then to close out the video, the overall market, what's happening with crypto. And that's basically what we got for you today. All the newest updates. So make sure to watch the video all the way through so you don't have to watch another update video here on YouTube. I'm going to try and cover everything as quickly as possible. All I ask in return, please hit the like. It's a click of a button, and engage the video in any way possible. Subscribing, having post notifications on, dropping a comment. Let's get into it. Now, there is no limit on the URSA fund's ability to borrow or use leverage, and the portfolio fund may have gross exposure of 1,500% of its assets. How do brokers allow this risk? Once these funds go under, it's going to be horrible, not only for these funds, not only for these institutions, but for the brokers as well, because brokers are allowing over leveraging to happen at an absolutely absurd degree, which could cause brokers like Webull, for example, to go under as well. And with this fund, we know that they are short AMC. Now, can constant everyday FUD get AMC apes to sell? You guys let me know in the comments down below. Another article by Investor Place, why box office bumps won't get AMC stock over the hump. And also MarketWise, aka Investor Place, begging you to sell your shares, saying these dead in the water stocks are set to slide over the next year. The meme excitement is over and the firm's grim financial reality remains. In quotes, get out of these stocks. Moving on, touching on some Ortex numbers. Short interest dropped again, 6.51%, utilization at 35%. Cost bar average sitting at 1.25%, as well as the max 3.1 million shares available to borrow on AMC. Options chain, we are still slightly winning on the week, 11,000 compared to 7,000 call to put ratio expiring in the money, and more people betting bullish as well for this week, next week, the week after, and the week after that. So looking pretty solid. However, market makers are dropping more short exempts on the stock. The short exempts are increasing, but the short percentage is lowering, which is interesting. GameStop not looking too hot as well. 2.1 million shares available to borrow against the stock. 1,500 calls compared to 1,800 puts expiring in the money, so we are losing on the options chain. But if GameStop decided to rise, there are more betting bullish on the stock, but I don't think that is going to happen at least this week. AMC trading at $9.47, up 1.5% on the day. Still holding above this flag. This is good. It got a breakout over this flag and then came and closed exactly on this resistance level and made a perfect candle today on top of this. So I am just waiting for the breakout. AMC's setup is beautiful. There's not much to say here. The only thing I would want to happen is volume to come in, okay? Another thing to note, the SPY is red while AMC is holding up pretty strong, which is another solid thing to see. Just wait for volume to pick up on this push and AMC will be golden. I do still hold my calls. GameStop trading at $13.82, down 1.57% on the day. It hit the supply zone, got rejected, and from a technical perspective, it may look decent because it held this wedge. It increased in volume on this gap up. However, I still stick to my guns that GameStop is going to sell off even further. Next level, $10.10, $10.10, and then $3.75 if that does want to get filled, but at least $10.10 I expect GameStop to come down to. So just to disclose, I do still hold my GameStop puts as well. Now before we get into some additional stuff to close out the video, as well as the SPY, we have a nasty trade happening with the SPY. But first, if you want to know my trades as soon as I take them, join the Discord. The link is right under the video and pinned in the top of comments. Once you press the link and view the Discord trailer, it's basically going to tell you that you can talk with me on the daily. I'm in there on the daily. It's basically a huge group chat with the most amazing people who talk stocks and have the best vibes. So whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, this is the place to go. Plus, we have options trading alerts in there. And this copy my trades with a click of a button is something that I am about to integrate into Discord. I told you guys to get in before it happened. So if you're not in, get in now. The Discord is linked under the video. I got something big coming that no creator has done before. Discord right under the video, as well as the Moomoo link. If you signed up with my link and didn't deposit, make sure to deposit to start earning free stocks. All you have to do is press my link, sign up. It takes 2 minutes out of your day. And then once you deposit even $1 into your account, you're going to start earning free stocks from Moomoo. The more you deposit, the more you get. And if you put in $100, you're getting a guaranteed free SoFi stock. I know a lot of you guys like SoFi. Moomoo is not doing this for everybody. So make sure to use my link in particular. That is pinned in the top of the description and in the top of comments. Moving on, the S&P 500. Sitting at 419.87, down 0.89% on the day. I am going to be making a big bet on the SPY. I think worst case scenario, the SPY comes down to 413 to 409 over the next couple of days, and I'm going to watch it tomorrow. If we want to bleed tomorrow, I'm waiting for one of those levels, and if not, I will be entering calls for late November. I think the SPY is going to come up to at least 442.75 by November 7th or sooner, and then potentially even further than that. I am bullish on the market, so this is just my outlook. Also, Bitcoin doing very well, retesting that $35,000 level, trying to get that break. If you guys didn't see my levels for Bitcoin, make sure to have post notifications on for my community post tab. These are my levels on Bitcoin. Speaking of Bitcoin, the DTCC Depository Trust and Clearing Corp has delisted BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust last night. And then following that write-up, BlackRock's iShares Spot Bitcoin ETF got relisted on the DTCC. I don't know what's happening, but whatever it is, it's causing problems because Binance temporarily halted crypto withdrawals due to a technical issue right after. Overall, guys, thank you for tuning in to today's video. Let me know if you've been accumulating crypto, and also let me know your take on AMC over the past few trading days. I know we got hammer candles sideways for about 2 weeks now, but the setup does look like it's there. It does look good. Let me know what you think about these AMC calls, the GameStop puts, and then that play on the S&P 500 as well. Do you think we are going into some black swan event, market crash, or do you think this is going to be a solid trade? Either way, I'm entering it, and I will disclose when I enter in Discord. And a lot of you guys on YouTube, I wish I could connect with more and see all of your comments, so just join the Discord so you can talk with me. That is it. I love you all. Lottery Socks out.